Transparent ceramic stands out for its exceptional purity and minute porosity, ensuring that light passes through seamlessly. Its ultra-smooth surface and evenly thin grain boundary structure provide unparalleled transparency and optical properties suitable for applications in lighting. Its ability to withstand high temperatures and pressure, coupled with its corrosion resistance, makes it ideal for optical instrument lenses and infrared detection windows. Experience the future of optical applications with transparent ceramic, where clarity meets durability. Transparent ceramic sets a new standard in materials science by blending high strength with unmatched transparency. Its superior optical properties and structural integrity make it a go-to for applications in high temperature, high pressure, and corrosive environments.